Hey guys, so today, this is 2 days later, what is it, it's the March the 20th today, and I've just got back to Tesla West Drayton service centre because I'm, well, basically I've come back to pick up my UMC. So to cut a long story short, 2 days ago I picked up my Model 3 after the service. There was water getting into the boot, and the boot was saturated, and along which, when I went to remove all my stuff from the car, I noticed that the UMC, which I keep in the lower trunk area, the case was covered in mold, and then when we opened it, the actual UMC was soaking wet as well. So the service center people were like, hey, you know, just leave it in the in the car, we'll test it for you. So I was like, great, you know. So that was another thing I thought they were going to do for me. And then when I picked the car up 2 days ago, I got home and realized, long story short, that the UMC and the breakdown kit in the red sort of long pouch was no longer in the car. And I was like, oh, they've obviously taken it out to when they were working on it or when they were cleaning it, and the UMC has not been put back in along with the breakdown kit. So yeah, I sent a text message back to the correspondence that they were texting me on. So they send you text messages saying, hey, you know, this is where your car's at, this is when we expect it to be, you know, finished, and you can collect it, and blah 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 blah. So I sent a text message back to that because they tend to respond when your car's in service quite reasonably well. Had no response back. So the next day, which was yesterday, I phoned up the customer service centre because I couldn't get through to the West Drayton. There's no real working number for West Drayton. So I rang up the general customer service centre and said, hey, can you call these people for me at West Drayton and just say, have you got my UMC? And the lady said they can sometimes take a while to answer. I'll phone them for you, but I will phone you back and let you know what they say. So I went, okay, kind of like, here we go. And lo and behold, as the scriptures do behold, truth behold them, I got no phone call back. So I've just decided to come in today. I'm just going to go straight into the service centre and, hey, you know, UMC missing, I was here 2 days ago, can you give it to me? So I thought, you know, I'm going to vlog this obviously, and I will let you know how it goes very shortly. Alright, speak to you in a minute. Okay, right, I am back now. I've just been in to see the lady. Thankfully it was the same lady as well that I spoke to when I picked up my car a few days ago, and she didn't seem to really remember me actually, but I tried to explain my situation to her. Long story short, good news, they've given me a brand spanking new one. She went out back to see if she could find my one, and she couldn't, so basically she came back with a brand new one. So I've got a brand new one down there. The only downside to this was they don't do the blue commando connector anymore, so I'm missing that now, so I haven't got one of those anymore. And the other bit of bad news is they didn't have any of the breakdown kits in stock, so she said she's going to get someone to post one out to me. So she took my address and everything, and she wrote something on a computer. So hopefully I will have a new one sent out to me in the coming weeks or so. But yeah, so a reasonably good response. Obviously it required me to come, you know, a 45-minute journey in to come and collect this and sort this out, but because obviously the whole Tesla texting and phone service isn't particularly brilliant. You can never seem to get hold of the individual service center. If you go onto Google and, you know, find this particular location, the number that's attached to it just doesn't work. It doesn't connect. It says number not in use. So you have to go for like a communal customer service number, and though they're pretty good at responding and talking to you, I mean, obviously they did not get back in touch with me, so that wasn't particularly great. But yeah, anyway, now I'm going to try and see if I can get on a supercharger here and top up before I go home. I should have enough to get home, but I'm just thinking, you know, I might as well top it up because I've got 3 supercharger credits on my account, so why not? But unfortunately the superchargers look pretty busy, so I'll have a quick look, and if I can't get on one, I'll just drive straight home. But anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.